5 kurta sets which are under 1100 rupees from Myntra, and it starts from rupees 500. So I am so excited, so let's go. The first one is this one from Kalini. This is for 999 rupees. Now this is this is kind of like their bandhani type of a kurta. I never like had like a bandhani kurta which is so long, so I got it for like Navratri. So the material is also good. It's very lightweight. It is like a anarkali kind of a kurta. Full sleeves hai, and then नीचे पूरा बहुत ही बड़ा like घाघरा type, you can say, like flare hai. It looks pretty good. Now this is the size small. Small and extra small does fit me depending on the measurements, and it comes with this very silky and soft dupatta as well. That looks stunning, you guys. I'll probably wear this with like a trousers or like a white skirt. I have that. So let's try this one out with it. What do I say? I love it. I love how it looks, and you can just twirl in it and it's gonna look fantastic. I have worn like इसके पहले जो मैंने कुर्ता डाला था उसका ही मैंने पजामा डाला है, but you cannot even see it, right? So you probably can wear like tights underneath if you're like wearing this for Navratri, and like twirl around, and it's gonna be so good. I love the dupatta with it as well. Like, it's extremely flowy. So yeah, I love it. What do you think? Next up is the most expensive kurta which I have is from India. So it is from the brand Rang by India. It is a velvet kurta. Now this is for 1080 rupees, 1080. I again, wow, the quality, I wish you could feel that, but आप ये देख सकते हो from the quality that it is a very good one, and it is black. It is just a kurta. So as you can see, it's not sheer. It does look pretty good, and the detailing also does not look cheap. Like पता है कभी कभी ऐसे इस पे जो detailing रहती है वो बहुत ऐसे अच्छी नहीं दिखती है, but this does not look like that. Wow, I really want to try it out with like a black pajama. I don't know if I have that. Let me try this kurta out and see what do I think about this. This is the Rang by India's kurta. I love it. I love the fit of it. It's very comfortable. It is not too tight, not too loose. It just fits perfectly. Quality wise also it looks super stunning, and I've just wore it with like whatever black plazos I had over here. So I absolutely love it. What do you think? Let me know. Next is this kurta dupatta set from Anok. Now this is for 949 rupees. Let's open it out. As you can see, मैंने black भी खरीदे हैं, but उसके साथ मैंने color भी लिया है because I want to wear color this Diwali and Navratri. So oh wow, that does look pretty cute. इसका detailing देखो, like it is like a simple one, but I love the detailing of it. Is very dainty and elegant. थोड़ा sheer लग रहा है मुझे. This is again in extra small. Let's see how that looks. थोड़ा बड़ा लग रहा है मुझे, but the quality is okay-ish. I would say not the heaviest of the quality, but it is good. It comes with this very cute detailing of a dupatta. Look at the dupatta. Then we have the normal churidar. This is how the pants look. Pretty good, I would say. Quality wise 949 के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. Okay, so this is how it looks. Surprisingly मुझे लगा था कि ये loose होगा या कुछ बड़ा होगा, but nothing like that. It's fitting in perfectly. I love the detailing, how it is looking. Very cute. I love the dupatta as well. Not my usual go-to style with this dupatta. I like more flowy dupatta. इसका दुपट्टा थोड़ा छोटू लग रहा है, but I still like it. I've accessorized it with gold and silver, although this is silver, but very comfortable. Love the fit, love how it looks. So yeah, I would give this like a 8 on 10. The cheapest one I saw this, I was so shook. This is from Sangria, one of my favorite brands on Myntra to shop like Indian wear from. So जब मैंने देखा इसमें और भी कलर्स अवेलेबल थे, बट आई नेवर हैड लाइक एनीथिंग इन टील. सो मैंने खरीद लिया. एंड गेस द प्राइस ऑफ दिस, यू गाइस. यू विल नेवर गेस द प्राइस ऑफ दिस करेक्टली. Looking at it, I feel like this is my absolute favorite. Oh my god, very like velvety, not like velvety but like satiny. It is a very simple kurta, but if you accessorize it well, it's gonna look bomb. Look at the detailing over here. It looks stunning. Look at that. Wow, I want to actually style this. और ये दुपट्टे के साथ नहीं, but ऐसे pants के साथ आता है. 521. Can you believe that? I think I should buy like more in more colors. I think they had a pink and an orange, but oh my god, I feel like this is gonna be my favorite. I don't know. First of all, I love the color on me. It looks stunning, but I feel like कुछ तो incomplete है. I don't know if it is the fitting of this. It's still fine. थोड़ा सा loose लग रहा है. Maybe I should just alter it so that it looks better. I don't know. I also have a golden dupatta. Wait, let me wear that and see how it looks. This is the dupatta. I feel like I like this without the dupatta. I'm not sure. Let me know what do you think either way, but I definitely love this, and I'm happy that I picked this color because it's not what I've ever worn in my life. Last one is also in black, but I again saw this from Sangria for 800 rupees. This is a kurta, dupatta and like a entire set. So this is, oh wow, okay, let me just not get too ahead of myself. This is a very simple like black kurta set, but it has a heavy border. I love such kind of borders, and again very breezy, very flowy, very lightweight as well. Okay, so if you इसके यहाँ तक ही like waist तक ही अंदर mesh है, इसके नीचे it's just like plain, like you can see through it, like you can see me through. And then the border is the most cute one. I feel like, look at that, ये बहुत ही अच्छा दिख रहा है. Wow, I do like this. It is very lightweight. I feel like I'm gonna wear this to one of my parties for the house parties, studio parties, which I'm gonna do this year. Then we have a palazzo, which also has the same kind of a lining, which looks stunning, you guys. I love it. Look at this. The dupatta is very unique. It's not your simple dupatta, right? तुम्हारे dupatta, it looks simple, but it has this. So आपको ऐसे 90s में जो जैसे डालते थे हम दुपट्टा वैसे, but it has a embroidery which looks stunning. I mean, come on, that looks great for like 817. I feel like if you're a black lover like me, you are gonna love this kurta. So let's try it out. First of all, how stunning is this? जैसे मैंने बताया यहाँ पे mesh है, but it doesn't really matter because the lining is still here and then this is transparent. Secondly, if you don't like wearing dupattas like this, आपको ऐसे करना होगा and then hide this probably पीछे with your hair so that it looks cute and not disbalanced. But yeah, I love this. I love how it looks. I don't have the best jewelry for it, so it might look a little bit off, but I'm gonna buy like new jewelry, especially for my black clothes, because black color की कुछ है ही नहीं मेरे पास. So yeah, I love it. What do you think? Let me know. So that was the Myntra haul. Links to all of these kurta sets is linked down below. Please go ahead and check it out. Let me know what other videos do you want me to watch. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.